everyone, my name is Jefferson Consat, and today we're going to talk about something very important in programming, parameters and return values. These two ideas explain how information enters a function and how results came out. Let's make it simple and easy to understand. What are parameters? Imagine your function is vending machine. If you want Coke, you press the button. If you want Sprite, you press a different button. That button you press is like a parameters. Why parameters important? Parameters make your function flexible, reusable, and not hard-coded. Instead of making 10 different functions, you make one and just change the parameters. And what are return values? Now, after a function processes the input, it can send something back. That something back is the return value. And why return values matter? Return values allow your program to calculate answers, stores results, use the output somewhere else, build bigger system by combining function. Without return values, your function can only print. With return values, your function can think.
Problem.
Tawanan mo ang iyong problema.
In the field of energy system management, professionals need to calculate how much energy an electrical system or appliance consumes every time. Doing this manually can be time-consuming and prone to a human error.
So hello everyone, I am Casual JYC Dimaano, and I will explain to you the code we make to help the professionals to compute without time consuming and human error. Prone kay sila sa human errors and ga-consume mo sila times. So for example, voltage 220 and the current is 5 amps and the time that we consume is 3 hours. So the first line is diff power consumption, open voltage current time hours close. So the diff word is to define the function, and the power consumption is the name of the function. So inside of this parenthesis, this is what we call the parameters that Jefferson explained earlier. So the next line is calculate the total energy consumed by a system. So this line to define the function, what it does, unsay gibuhat sa function mo na siya ang line 2. So the line 3 is power equals voltage times current. So in our BEE, if we study the power, to get the power, the formula we use is voltage times current. So that we put that here. So the next line is energy equals power times time hours divided by 1000. So this line, iyang i-compute the energy in kilowatt per hour. So it divides by 1000 to convert watt hours to kilowatt hours. So the next line is the return energy. So this statements sends the final energy value back. So this makes the function reusable in other parts of the code. So kaning return energy, ipot na mo ni siya para iyang ibalik later kung ato nang tawagon. So the next code is what it calls the function using power consumption 220, 5, and 3. So kani siyang line, gibutang na nato ang mga value nga atong i-calculate. So gets na ninyo. So these values represents 220 volts, 5 amps, and the 3 hours. Giingon na ako ganina kasabot. So the next line is the result is stored in the variable result. Gets ninyo? Wala. So, ibisaya na ako para sa inyo.
Okay.
So, ang result nga nakita nyo dira sa code, iyang i-stored ang result. Kasabot?
Okay.
Kung sa'y result ani, iyang i-stored. Iyang ibutang like dito na siya permanent kay result man siya dire. Gets na ninyo? So kini nga variable akong English ha, kung di mo kasabot og Bisaya akong English, kung kaning variable i-hold and i-compute niyang energy consumption. Gets na ninyo? So the next is finally pit na tambahuman. So the print statement, iyan ang i-display ang output. So gitudluan man ta ani. Ma'am teach us how to print and the output will come. So this is the code. Print, open, total energy consumed, and kana and result kilowatt per hour. So ang output ana mugawas na dayon. Ang output dayon kay 3 kilowatt hour. Gets na ninyo? So mao na to tanan. Salamat sa pagmaminaw. Thank you very much and a happy new year and a merry Christmas. Tingaling-galing-galing.
Come on, it's lovely weather for us. Lay right together with a